Hello students, question is draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. As we know, always draw the rough figure. So first I will draw this AB. It is 8 cm. Taking A as a radius, taking A as a center and radius 4 cm, draw one circle. Now taking B as a center and radius 3 cm, draw another circle. एक और सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दो, इसकी रेडियस आ जाएगी 3 cm. Let this is our point X, this is our point Y. So we will write the distance here. AB is equal to 8 cm, AX is equal to 4 cm, BY is equal to 3 cm. Now we have to draw tangent from A to the circle B, and we have to draw tangent from B to the circle A. Now for this we know how to do the procedure. First draw a perpendicular bisector of AB. Let this is our point D. Take DA as a distance in your compass and draw a circle which will pass through B. एक बार आपने ये सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दिया, then join the points. That this is our point P, this is our point Q, this is point R, and this is point S. So rough diagram is only for the clarification. हमें क्या करना है? Now we will actually start our construction. So here I will take distance AB 8 cm. So this is my point A and this is my point B. A B. ठीक है, AB is equal to 8 cm. We have written here. Now take 4 cm distance in the compass and draw the circle taking center A and radius 4 cm. ये बन गया अपना सर्कल. Dear student, I know you have subscribed the channel. Suggest your friends, family members to subscribe our channel and share the videos to all your friends. We will take 3 cm distance in the compass. Yes, ये हो गया 3 cm distance. We will take B as a center and draw a circle. Yeah. Now our main task is draw a tangent from B to circle A. Similarly, draw another tangent from B to circle A. Again draw a tangent from A to circle B and a tangent from A to circle B. For this we require the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB, take more than 50% distance of AB in your compass, draw one arc above and draw one arc below. Similarly, without changing the distance in your compass, take a arc above and below. Join this two arc, इनको join कर लो. ये आ गया. Suppose this is our point D. Now, taking AB, AD as a radius, we will draw one more circle. This is our next circle. Now, here we are having the touch points from where we can draw the tangent. Let this is our point P, this is our point Q, this is our point R, and this is our point S. Now what we will do, join the point BP, इसको join कर लो. In the same way, join the points BQ. Now, similarly, join the points AR. इसको भी join कर लो AR, and join the point AS. Okay. So here we will mention BP and BQ are tangents from B to circle A. A circle is known by its center. Whatever is name of the center, that is the name of the circle. Now, next thing, AR and AS are tangents from A to circle B. If you have any doubts, please mention in the chat box. If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends. Thank you.